Fun with fire. Tonight we're doing a fountain from Phantom Fireworks. It's the three of a kind fountain. This is the yellow one. There's actually three of them. They come in an assortment: yellow, red, and blue. We just did a demo a few months ago with the blue, I think. Look at all these cards. Yeah, we look like a winner, huh? Effects: brilliant golden willow with green pearls, purple flaming shower to silver crackling with green stars. Fireworks.com. Get connected. Safe and sane. Uh, is there an item number? I don't think there's an item number on this. Oh, there it is. The H180. So these are pretty cool. Let's check out three of a kind yellow edition. Or gold. I'm going to say yellow. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. She's lit. Oh, nice. There's the purple. Nice purple right there. Purple torch. Oh, yeah. Three of a kind for the win. Sweet. Look at the cloud. Sweet. Breathe it in, man.